There she is, voila! Fuck you for taking my money. But let's double click this button 2 times, guys. Let's hear how she sounds. She hasn't been on in a week, 6 days. Sheesh. To stretch her legs out today. One pull to stretch her legs out today, guys. Just for you guys. Put her on track mode. Oh, there's another Dodge behind me right there. Look. I don't know if you guys can see. One pull for you guys. Oh, that grandma's gonna pass, I think. Yeah, it's gonna pass. Yes sir, what is up in this beautiful ass morning, guys? Your boy has not slept. I just came back from work at 2 in the morning. It is currently 6 a.m. where I live right now, guys. You guys see the freaking sun out here? This is crazy as hell. Look at the sun, guys. Sheesh. You got the birds right here. Motherfucking birds. You guys want to see them? I'm not sure if y'all can see them, but there's some birds in there. And yes, there's sun coming out. You guys see, I have not slept at all, but your boy's not tired. My mom just left to work right now, and your boy needs to go buy deodorant, soap, shampoo. You need to buy a lot of different shit, guys, to be honest, because your boy just has a lot of stuff he needs to freaking buy and take when he goes long haul on the trips, guys. But today, I am gonna go wash my car. It's still a little bit too early, so I'm gonna go in a little bit right now, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a pulse, a little Tommy co-star y'all love to hear right now. I'm finna start up my car right now, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna go do all that, and then later on tonight, see if there's a car meet or see what the hell gets cracking today and see what the hell's gonna go on, because you guys already know your boy draws bangers on bangers on bangers, and I'm sorry I couldn't upload a video for the other channel, guys, which is Trucking with Rob. I'll put the @ right here, Trucking with Rob. Sadly, I still have the freaking videos on my camera on my phone. I'm gonna try my best to see if I can possibly get the videos onto the computer. That way I can edit the videos, but for some reason it's not going, guys. It's not working, so I'm still gonna have the videos on my phone. I'm gonna try my best to do it, guys, but let's see. I'm gonna try my best to give it a shot, guys. Stay tuned. It's been your boy Rob, and you already know, remember why you started, and let's make it a banger today, guys. Yes sir. Sheesh. We got a Tommy Ghoster right now. All right, y'all, we are going to see the fucking monster. There she is, voila! Fuck you for taking my money. I'm just kidding. She's worth every dime, every penny. Let's give you guys that Tommy co-star. Y'all love to hear, because I'm about to go to Target right now, because your boy needs to buy deodorant and needs to buy all that good shit. But let's double click this button 2 times, guys. Let's hear how she sounds. She hasn't been on in a week, 6 days. Sheesh. That's a 6-day co-star, y'all. A 6-day co-star for you guys. Look at that. Sheesh. Your boy has not been home, and I came to hear this. I love it, guys. I'm gonna let her warm up right now. I'm probably waking up the whole neighborhood and shit, like, sheesh. Yes sir. She doesn't even need a wash, but I'm thinking of going to the wash right now in a bit, guys. But I'm gonna let her warm up right now. Stay tuned. Give you guys some fucking cold starts and some pulls. Y'all love to hear it. I know you guys want to hear that. A lot of people have been telling me to tint these taillights out. Should I tint them out or not? Let me know in the comment section below. Should I tint them out? Should I tint them out? I want to, but then I don't. I'm not sure, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna let this bitch warm up. Stay tuned. Our original vlogger now. Sheesh. Does she need fuel? It says press OK to enter screen setup. No, I do not want to enter the screen setup, so all I gotta press is back, and there you go. She's gonna go back to her original state, which is right there, the miles per hour. Do I need fuel though, guys? No, it does not look like I need fuel today. I'm currently at 60 miles a gallon. Yes sir, I got 60 miles left for the whole tank, and we are about to go get myself deodorant. And yes, deodorant. And what else am I gonna get? Ooh, I love the back of camera. Dodge really does a great, amazing time choice with the camera, guys. But your boy's gonna get deodorant and partly, oh shit, the tires have been put for the longest that you can literally hear the tires of the ground. That's crazy. My front bumper got messed up already, guys, so I'm gonna leave my car like that. It's just too much to take care of. Like, I try my best to take care of it so much, and it's just like unbelievable, guys. I can't take care of it. I try my best to not scrape the bumper. I come out of my house all low life, like look at, guys, I literally be coming out of my house like stupid low, like literally dumb low, to the point to where I don't scrape the mud flap or my front bumper. I want to get a protection that comes with the front bumper, but the original one that the car comes with, but the original owner of this car took off the bumper, the front bumper, the protector, so it looks like right now I won't be having it with me, obviously, sadly. I need to order it online. It goes like for 300 bucks, so let's see if I scrape. I'm gonna let my bumper get more messed up, and I'm gonna take it to get painted again later on, guys, and then put that protection guard in the front. But let's hear her. Oh, she did not scrape. Nope, she didn't scrape today because I hit it good, guys. Thank the Lord, thank the Lord. Damn, I haven't been on my car in the longest. It feels cool, it feels fun. I know my ass is gonna get tired later on for sure though, guys. My ass is gonna be stupid tired later on. Damn, I haven't been driving here in a while though. Sheesh. You guys want to hear one pull? Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to hear a pull. I know you guys want to hear a pull, crazy ass pull in this car. I just gotta let her warm up a little bit more because she's still cold. Haven't used her in a while. Damn, my neighborhood's quiet today. This is weird. My neighborhood's never really this quiet. My little sister's still upstairs sleeping too. She's probably like, what the fuck, when she heard me turn on the car and shit. Alright guys, I'm gonna do some pulls for you guys right now. Let's hear her roar. I'm still in my neighborhood, so I don't really want to be a burn-in. Fuck, I should have brought a sweater. I'm a freeze. I don't even know if Target's open. I'm all crazy and shit. Oh, you guys hear that fucking Tommy, dog? Oh shit. Damn, I love the whine. I love you, Dodge. Dodge just performs the best with the freaking whine. Let's hear her again. This is how my bumper looks, guys. Look, this is how my front bumper be looking. I swear, this is how my front bumper looks. So if you guys ever see my car at a car meet, that's how it looks. They're gonna be like, what the fuck? Why is this nigga recording my car and shit? Oh shit. What the hell is that? My car sounds weird. Ah, sounds weird as hell. Alright guys, for my turning signals, you gotta use your turning signals at all times no matter what. Because you never know, someone can hit you, you can hit someone. Ooh! Ooh, you hear that popcorn? Damn, that was like literally like 5 gallons of gas, 5 miles that went away already. One pull for you guys. One pull to stretch her legs out today. One pull to stretch her legs out today, guys. Just for you guys. Put her on track mode. Oh, there's another Dodge behind me right there. Look, I don't know if you guys can see. One pull for you guys. Let's see. I'm literally gonna scratch. Oh, that grandma's gonna pass, I think. Yeah, it's gonna pass. Sheesh! Oh shit! Damn! There's another Dodge Charger right here. He's probably gonna be like, oh shit. There's another Dodge Charger right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Look, he's right here. He's probably looking at me like, what the fuck? Look, see, he's right there. He's probably like, what the fuck? Sheesh! Crazy ass. There's another Dodge Charger right here. He's like, what the fuck? Is that a fucking Hellcat, dog? One more pull for you guys. One more for you guys. Then put it on first gear. Is there any cops? No, sir. All right. What the fuck? What the fuck? Guys, I have not used my car in so long, and the freaking, this is incredible. This is insane. Like, the pulls on this shit, like, I don't know. Like, my car was not like this before. I don't know if it feels like, because I haven't drove it in a while, but this shit feels like it just got more power. It feels like it got stronger. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think about that. Like, sheesh, like, this shit does not feel like, I don't know if this is normal, but I haven't used my car in a while, guys, and this shit just feels like crazy. Like, damn. One more pull for you guys. One more pull. All right, just because I love you guys. That's like all my gas gone. Literally, my ass hasn't even slept or nothing. One more pull. I hope there's no CHP. I got the new radar right there on deck. Let's see. One more pull for you guys. Right here. Shit! Oh shit! He's a fucking jet! He's a fucking jet! Oh shit! I wish you guys were in here. Woo! Shit! I'ma chill. Shit, man. I need to go to a car meet. Oh, there's a big ass hole right there. That is a little simple with all the Dodge Chargers nowadays. Oh, you can't really hear the whines no more. Damn, what's up with all these Dodge Chargers? Look. Bunch of Dodge Chargers. There's another one right here. There's a bunch out here now. Damn, since when did everyone start getting Chargers? What the fuck? That's crazy. Guys, I'm excited. Like, I don't know. I haven't drove my car in a while. Alright, I'm trying to take her off track now, guys, because she's too crazy on track. She gets too wild. Put her back on auto. Sorry, baby. You waste too much gas. You're nice and all, but you waste too much gas. So, time to put you back on auto. But shit, that was crazy, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think about that. The other radar I had wasn't like this. This radar is way better because it notifies me where they're at, if they're either on the front of me, back of me, left of me, or right of me. So this radar is more advanced. The only reason why I'm using it here now is because I'm not doing local work no more. I'm actually doing long haul now. So the long haul work, my friend already has one radar in his truck, so I just be having this one now in my car, and I have the other radar just chilling at home, taking space. Damn, this is crazy though, guys. This thing's insane, y'all. Let me know in the comment section below y'all think about that. But this is the end of today's vlog. I just wanted to do a little poll for you guys because I haven't used my car in a while. But remember, guys, never give up. Keep moving forward. Keep striving for success. No matter what you guys go through every single day, just know that your life gets better every single day. It gets easier. It gets better. And we all go through shit every day to make us stronger, tougher. And you guys already know it's been your boy Rob. And never give up. Never give in. And just remember why you started, just like TJ Hunt says it. And just know that there's more bangers coming for the channel, guys, for the family. And just know that, yes, I promise you guys, the fucking, sorry for my language, the video for the trucking with Rob, I have the video still. Don't worry, I'm still gonna try my best to upload it tonight. Trucking with Rob, right here, guys. Trucking with Rob. I gotta upload that video for you guys. I know y'all want to see that in the snow, driving, like that shit's crazy. But peace out, y'all. I love you guys. Never give up. Keep moving forward. Always keep striving for success. It's been your boy Rob, and we're out of here. Peace out, y'all.